For our final story today, romantic dinners and expensive gifts may be nice, but you can also spend this Valentine's Day with two other things you love: cover crops and soil health. Nebraska Extension is putting on the Cover Crop and Soil Health Conference on February 14th. And that'll feature speakers plus a panel discussion. We recently spoke with Extension educator Keith Glewen to learn more.
The Nebraska Cover Crop and Soil Health Conference will be held at the Eastern Nebraska Research and Extension Center on February 14th. And in recent years, our focus has been on cover crops and how they can be incorporated into a corn soybean type of operation without livestock. We understand the importance of livestock in management of cover crops and the importance of livestock to the soil. We realize not all growers will include livestock into their operation. The thing that we try to convey in our message is you may not need to own the livestock, you may not need to own the cattle and not manage them, but you can partner with somebody to bring cattle to your operation and use the land base for the cattle production. And so this year we are bringing in some speakers that are going to talk about the importance of soil resources. And one of those speakers is Dr. David Montgomery from the University of Washington, who is a geomorphologist. And basically he's going to give a report card on our soils in the world. Another person that we're bringing in that's had a lot of experience, hands-on experience in terms of soil quality factors is Jay Furr, who's an NRCS soil conservationist from North Dakota. And he will have some demonstrations as well as share instruction on his experiences with managing the soil and improving soil quality factors. And again, when we say soil quality factors, we're referring to the physical, chemical, and biological properties of the soil. The next speaker we have is Dr. Ray Ward, who many farmers in Nebraska are familiar with. Ray has a lot of experience on his own farm as well as being a soil scientist with management practices and how they influence soil quality factors. We are also bringing in two growers who have had a very positive experience with using cover crops in their farming operation, and they are Jeff Steffens from Crofton, Nebraska, and Scott Heineman from Winside, Nebraska. So as you can see, we got a group of rock stars for a program lineup, and we invite growers, landowners, anybody who's interested in improving the soil quality factors in their farming operation to attend our conference. We would like people to pre-register simply because we need to make arrangements for food and the facilities and so forth. We can only accommodate 275 people. And right now we're at 175. So we still have some room, but it's important that they pre-register and they can find out where to call or where to go online to pre-register by going to CropWatch.
To find out more information and to register for the conference, visit cropwatch.unl.edu. Sponsors for the event include the Nebraska Soybean Board, the Lower Platte North Natural Resources District, the USDA SARE program, and the USDA Natural Resource and Conservation Service.